Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back with another reaction. Yeah, man, people, let's see what I do today. Yeah, we're back in the war today with none other than Demarco. Just dropping new Shano this. He's in the war, the one entitled Natty Morgan. I'll check it out and see what I got. The war with Shano and Demarco has been pretty fun. It's been entertaining. I'm glad these guys are being more consistent and more frequent now. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, the war look like that turn up back. So, yeah, man, gang, you don't know what time it is. We're not going to hold up the vibe much longer. Well, I'll check it out and see what dog my deal with. You see me? This is Demarco, Natty Morgan. Shano this. Let's get it, gang.
Batty mouth sting from tunnel roll and lightning flash. When a push from Chuck badness. Leland style, it's facts. My jive pass him.
What? Yo, what? Yo, bro, what was going on in the man them, bro? Like, the man even start, not even 3 words. You know, the blows tongue and the man them this already. What the hell?
Batty mouth sting from tunnel roll and lightning flash. When a push from Chuck badness. Leland style, it's facts.
The first word the man says are this two blows on his screen. How do you start a sentence like that, bro? Come on.
My jive pass him dead already. Body fine in trash. The PUBG thing, no fully bad line him chat.
Hey, Wallet man say, yo, Shano your teeth line. Shano your teeth and lines, bro. You take the fully bad thing, bro. Ah, go ahead. Yeah.
Line him chat. Natty Morgan.
Hold on, what's that over here?
With Chuck badness. Leland style, it's facts. My jive pass him dead already.
Leland
Body fine in trash.
style. With Chuck badness. Leland style. You hear that? You know, Leland chuck them, bro. Cause no found me know so that jump over no found it, you know. The Leland chuck them. You see me? I say, man, say Leland style, which chuck badness on here, man. You see me? Like we work for blood clean Jambisco. You see me?
The fully bad line him chat.
Yeah.
Natty Morgan Glock in her hand. Clap it on the copy car. On the traffic now jam. Pop it off. Matic blast. Blam splash him.
Oh, clad! Marco chopping on this one, gang. You see me?
Morgan. Pussy you broke a night.
Why is the song so short? This song only 1 minute 40 seconds. Oh, go on.
Run through the clutches, yeah. Bout him a reverse and back up neat. A faggot seat. I that beat the speaker till him feet a collapse soon to be.
Hey, yo, man say both you reverse and back up neat. Fuck. I don't remember that line, bro. Back in about this uptown, him say, yo, him nothing there. Him nothing there, boy, in reverse and park up in a boy. Ah, weird. Yeah, it was him. I thought it was Coyote that said that. He reverse and park up and shot boy in the face. I thought it was Coyote that said, but Shano, alright.
Beef for Chabas. Christian up on the field, a shot a squeeze the choppers. Crime lord, be evil Jaffra.
Hold on. When you ask about hold on again.
Christian up on the
hold on there, you see me?
the clutches, yeah. Bout him a reverse and back up neat. A faggot seat. I that beat the speaker till
Man, say yo, but I'm gonna say that.
them feet a collapse soon to beef for Chabas. Christian.
Couldn't be for Chabas. I couldn't be for Chabas. What? What Chabas have to do with this? Chabas is a type of, I want to say, I know bass is a type of swim around. You know, Chabas is a type of swim around, not the person, the animal. You know what I'm saying?
Reverse and back up neat. A faggot seat. I that beat the speaker till them feet a collapse soon to beef for Chabas. Christian up on the field, a shot a squeeze the choppers. Crime.
Weird, man. Yeah, what for me the one that go on?
Be evil Jaffra. 9 ball we give the coppers. Pussy me never send no man go on the motorbike. Me chauffeur drive. Still with the burner them like.
I'm not send a man on a Buckley motorbike. Me chauffeur drive. I want to. We're up. Hey.
But like the prototype, bag of stripe Adidas when you go for night. A regular me coming out.
Man say a bag of stripes me have like Adidas, bro. Me just collect the dopey them. Like Adidas collect the stripes them. Jeez and peace.
Be evil Jaffra. 9 ball we give the coppers. Pussy me never send no man go on the motorbike. Me chauffeur drive. Still with the burner them like when the stove like the pro.
Stay with the burner them like when me stove like. Jeez and peace. I mean, man.
Prototype, bag of stripe Adidas when you go for night. A regular me coming.
Man say bag of stripe like Adidas when you go overnight. Wait a minute. I prefer if you say yo bag of stripe like Adidas and you have to cut that check like Nike. But you see me cause you want to cut that 6 mil. Boy, you don't know, you know, go overnight.
Car remote on me, I choke your wife. I hope all you go give your partner dry youth. And your granny still a see the street for little money, what a ass shoot.
Jaja. Man say I hope all you give your partner dry youth and your mama still a... Oh God. I know say she no sing partner draw. I'm getting my partner draw.
Room dark cute, your career now shoot. Milk for share with rich friend. Put it on mute. Watch your talk.
Humble clat. Blow. Yeah man, you just the milk situation. Man say yo a milk you drink all off a season with no spoon. Man say yo.
Room dark cute, your career now shoot. Milk for share with rich friend. Put it on mute. Watch.
Man say yo. Your room dark cute. Your career nah shoot. I know you have dark room. Man say, yeah, your room dark for 2 dark and you carry a 9 shoot. You see me, you share milk with
That's why your room dark you. Your career now shoot. Milk for share with which friend? Put it on mute. Watch your talk, shut a back. Laugh and not shut a laugh. Cash a park in a gauge war capital. What a sauce.
Buckler in a gauge war capital. What a sauce. So all that she know they work with Gage, I believe, and it's a capital help him with the sauce. Bumbo clean.
Ultimate lyrics is pussy that a false. Them look like you drop a vase. What a last crack.
Jeez, people, your lyrics is, bro, that false, bro. You broke like you drop a vase, bro. Like you drop a vase, porcelain, bro. You know what I'm saying? You broke up pieces. You broke and I'm broke. You ain't no coming back to get them in my pocket. Hey.
Falls, them broke like you drop a vase. What a last crack a blast, that a flat a fast. They shut across and we dark like they back a class. They chop a last when we
shut across and we dark like you back a class. I want to man, come in, man.
A blast, that a flat a fast. They shut across and we dark like they back a class. They chop a last when we use the word so hard, not a ras.
Damn, bro, the man laugh after the war. No, man, the man can't continue this June and I laugh at like my laugh after. No, bro. Me tell that more disrespectful than the man. Yeah, like I laugh after me, bro. Yeah, me guys, I mean, can't hear you laugh. Nah, bro. No, Papi should take me thing for that.
Me no listen when them better speak. Favor thief, a graver keep. Raise a bees and pray for peace. Your career lighter than a paper leaf.
I'm afraid of it. Hey, Jesus, please, yo, come on.
Favor thief, a graver.
Jesus, please, man, said the channel look like thief, bro. You don't look like artist.
Use the word S-O-R, not a ras.
The man said the word S-O-R, not a X.
No listen when them better speak. Favor thief, a graver keep. Raise a bees and pray for peace.
Don't listen when them better thief that speak, bro. They don't speak them favorite thief. You see me? Yeah, man.
Your career lighter than a paper leaf. Your fate to read, state to plead. 4 time your boss, I know we never see no great achievements.
Bumbo Clemens, a 4 time your boss, brother. 4 time your boss, I wanna see no great achievements. Yeah, man. Bumbo Clean. No, man. No, that you think about it, you know, dog. Every 2 years, Shane make a come. Alright, dog, Shane will hate me. Every 2 years, Shane make a come back. You see me, wife, they come back. You see me? Yeah, man, every 2 years, you see Shane go so like him. Like him sizzle, like him, you know, the fire out up, the next day you see start bubble up back. Why for the bubble up? You start sizzle up, get a little buzz, get like a heat. You see that gone again, like him back in the dark room, then see that step out again. Yeah, bro, Demarco say, yo, a 4 time Shane boss, bro. I wanna see no great achievements, bro. G's and peace. Last big highlight me from Shane still when DJ Khaled come on talk about dark room. The big highlight, the big, you know, promotion. I'm gonna say you do nothing with it. Yeah, man, I don't see you do nothing with it, dog. Yeah, man. Jaja, what me think now, echo, you know. Yeah, but yeah, man, dog, after DJ Khaled put the highlight and put your bro, you should take that and spin it somehow.
From Command to Atlanta, clap on the black man, stop at on the top rank.
But don't get it wrong, Shane, a bad artist. I'm telling you that. Bad artist. Millennium Gallus, partner draw, owner, all me, yo, Shane, bad artist. Me personally, I really Shane. So when Cartel Jaffe off with Millennium Gallus, it was Cartel, Shanstorm, Shano, and who else? Bro, you know, say, yo, I'm not live. Shano, was Tamale on it? I don't think Tamale on it. I think it was just Vibes Cartel, Shanstorm, and Vibes Cartel, Millennium Gallus. Bro, Shano hold him one pan the track there, bro. Where you can be like, yo, this nigga on par level. You see me? When I was like, this nigga actually up there, lyrically with Cartel type stuff. No, really. Shane don't hear this I get to. Yeah, but you know, we can you get what me I try say. No, up there with you know size.
Chat on my black cancer. Not long will that stand for bad lamb cannot hamper. You know, see say them a weak fence. The batty boy I come and papa be I'm gonna shut a queer bullet and run up now you flat up here.
Weak fence on here, brother. Jeez and peace, dog. You want your fence up, dog. You want some barbed wire, dog. You want couple posts. You know, you want read over.
Not a fear, not the chopper to the body chopper square. Strap up here, more up on it.
Not the chopper to your body till the chopper square. I'm to you, man. Jaja.
You go watch my top a steer.
My dear, grown people tapping a steer upon you. People want to, yo. You think say Demarco ain't gonna come with no choppings. Yeah, Demarco come and mince up a beat, man. The beat, man. You see me? Like when you're doing it, I make blood clean salad. Yeah, man, dog a chop, man. Yeah, man, do your thing, Demarco. Yeah, man, that was Demarco, Natty, Morgan. She know this. She know picture that for real. No, I believe that is not Morgan. I will picture. Yeah, dog. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, man, good. Bro, I didn't even check out the artwork like that. You feel me? For real, I didn't even look at the picture or check out the artwork. I just reacted to the song. Let me see what I'm going on this. Say name, Demarco, alias Natty Morgan. Boy, what they say? Born something. I believe they say like Julie Morgan, Kingston, something. About yo, I man, yo, caution, crime, yeah. So you know, Natty Morgan a bad man, and Demarco say not only my John Wick, you know, my new Natty Morgan, you know. You see me, I say, but big up to Demarco, man. You see me, I say Demarco do him thing I war. Demarco say I collect up like Adidas, bro, like stripes and for Adidas. You see me? You just go through one by one, kill and collect. Smoke and forget. Yeah, man, the dog say I want more up this smart till list. You see me, dog say no go on Nike, but you just say cut the check like Nike still. You see me, I say, but anyway, gang, let me know what you think about that one in the comment section. It's a vibe. Enjoying the war, enjoying the clash, gang. Let me know of the lines that I missed. Please, people, don't get vexed. This is a reaction. Me go miss lines. It's my first time listening to the song. It's not a review. This is a reaction. Getting the first feel how the song make you feel the first time you're listening and hearing it. That's what this is all about. You know what I'm saying? Don't get vexed if you miss a line and I come talk about yo that. Yeah, me don't want to hear none of that. You feel me? Yeah, man. Instant block and delete, bro. Yeah. Don't know what time it is about Jambisco. Yeah, you're in a hit and smash and bang. Let's discuss it. Chop it up. Link in the description is fixed to the Discord. Join the family. Join my gaming channel. All that good stuff, gang. You don't know. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love, guys. I'm out. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector.